Hi everybody, I've had a few days to practice on Princess Bernina, as I'm calling her. This is just, it's not a review, it's just my experience, how I chose my sewing machine. It's perfect for me, might not be perfect for you. You can research and research, go through all the specifications, you arrive at what you like, you go and have a test sew, you might get it down to 4 or 5 machines. There was only about 2 machines that I really liked, and this one was my top choice. I didn't get to the second one. When I walked into the shop and I sat down, I just sewed on her and I felt comfortable. In the end, after you've ticked all the boxes of what you want for your machine, you've got to feel comfortable, and I felt very comfortable with this machine. After sewing for a few days, I'm really happy with the layout. I've still got a lot to learn. I've mainly just sewed on some scrap fabric. I've done shirring on her, which I didn't think I'd have the confidence to do, but I have. I tried the machine out on some knitwear, and I used it in a combination with my cover stitch and my overlocker machine, but I could have sewn the entire top on this machine, no problems. I'm really impressed with the stitches that I've learnt to use so far. With that, I'll have a little sew and you can watch her perform. And if you're thinking about one of these machines, I totally recommend her. For me, she was the perfect choice. Everybody has different needs, so just keep that in mind, but it's a big recommendation for me. Definitely loving the Bernina machine, $3.35. So with that, I'll just have a little sew now. hope you enjoyed our tutorial and thank you for watching.